Welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm going to introduce our newest products. It's a working cabinet that made in the all stainless steels. Let's take a look at the overall sizes first. The overall length will be 59 inches. And 23.5 inches wide. And 31 and 1/4 inches tall. Still the same, they have wheels at the bottom. 5 inches wheels. And this unit also the 2 sliding doors. Front and back look the same. And let's take a measurement on the inner side too. The board at 18 inches. And the 57.5 inches long. And the overall height will be 20 inches. Let's take a look at the hands. Everything is working safely. And thank you for watching these videos. If you have more questions, please contact with us.